Hi everyone, Tofata here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about the things I miss in Botswana during this time. So Dezemba, who Dezemba? This is a vibe, a feeling that just kind of descends across the whole country. Mainly after Buibuso, which is September 30th. You know the month, the months, September, October, November, December, they are the fun months. But after Buibuso, there's a little bit of a lull, after the September 30th independence celebration. It just chills a little bit. And then we get to December, not the month, December, which is a feeling you get from like middle of November onwards, where it's just like Christmas parties everywhere, Christmas concerts for the kids, Christmas fetes and festivals. It's just a vibe. And I miss that vibe. I miss that vibe so bad. These are the things that make me miss home. I miss the Setswana music because obviously there has to be a Dezemba song. The song that you hear in all the taxis and the cabs as they go at all the parties and the birthday parties and the weddings. That is the Dezemba song, right? Now, some people still play the classic, the Guaido, the R&B on radio. Like, you have to appreciate R&B on radio when you're in Bots, because everywhere else they just play the top 10 hits and then they play, I don't know, soft rock or some other things. But in Bots, it's all about the R&B on radio, traditional music, and just the December vibe. It's just the feeling. The moment the trees start going up in the malls, the Christmas trees, the vibe descends across the whole country. The birthday parties, the wedding season, because it's nice and sunny. The weather is warm, unlike Melbourne weather. The weather is warm. You are, bare skin, chocolate skin, smelling nice, having all the things. That's what I miss about being home. I also just miss family. A lot can be replaced, but family, being around family, people who genuinely care for you, not for what your hands can do or what you can bring to the table, just care for you as a person without any production label or anything. There's a lot that I miss about just being able to just be, not to be a worker or a colleague in that way, just family. I miss that. I also miss, I guess, the simple farm life, hobby farm, simple life of hobby farms on the weekends, of going to parties and funerals, of the community, of having people come over to help because you're injured or you're unwell, or you just don't live too far from your in-laws and they're nice people. So you go and see them and check in and you can help out, just that. Being able to teach my kids about the childhood I grew up in Botswana doing, like playing games in the middle of the road, playing with sand, like an endless sand pit. That's what my kids think Botswana is. There's a whole lot of sand everywhere and it's fun. But touring and seeing your country, and I miss home. And the dance, that Dezemba vibe I was talking about, it comes with expert dancers who know how to develop and illustrate the technique of the human body. I mean, sometimes you think you're doing it and then you look in the mirror and your body's like, I'm not doing what you think I'm doing. But there are people that you see and you're like, dancing is for you. So being there, able to go for the Christmas parties or the concerts and just immerse yourself in the culture and the traditional dance, traditional music. I miss all those things, but I think my ultimate thing that I miss about being home, being in Botswana, South Africa, that area, is the food. the braai, the appreciation of spice and salt and all things nice. You know, not eating because you need to eat to survive, but eating because food is something to be celebrated. Eating is a main event. All the 3 meals of the day being main events because people care that food tastes nice. The braai, which is a barbecue with the pap and the spices and the drinks and the company. I just miss home. I guess this is kind of what I'm trying to say. So if you have some, I don't know who my audience is, but if you want to take me home, I could be a tour guide. I could be paid. I'm pretty sure we could negotiate. I can show you the best that Botswana has to offer. I can take you around. It's just I'll need to come with my husband and 2 kids. But I'd be happy to take you around. They don't need to come around with us. I mean, we can negotiate. But they can come to Botswana with us. And then I can leave them somewhere. And then in my business hat, I can have my security guard, myself, and you going around seeing all these spots that I dream about while I'm here. Well, talking about it has made me feel better. I hope you get to experience the beauty that is Botswana and all the animals and all the tours that you can do. And please try and support local. By supporting local, support small businesses like mine. I know this is available on Amazon, but scratch that. It's still a small business that is celebrating Botswana and what it has to offer. So these are coloring books. There's 3 of them. Which is I Love Myself. The Setswana Positive Affirmation book. I'm learning to write for the little people in your life. And Fun Adventures, which is all about at the farm. So support small business, support small. So book with a local company. If you're going to the Okavango or you're going on safari, book with a local company, not some UK based company which takes all the money away from the economy. Book and stay small and celebrate my country. Please tag me if you're going. I am happy to live vicariously through you. Until next time, we'll see you. Bye.